Now there are different types of entertainment and performance, and this one is entirely on a different level. One Igbo Amaka. Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. So Theresa Onourah, Mama Theresa Onourah, actually performed some of her old song at an event somewhere in Lagos, and I'll be bringing you the highlights there of the performance here in this video. Before I take you to this whole, the performance is just somehow very unique. Yeah, it's not the regular shouting, the regular stress, just something very simple. But trust me, if you relax and watch this video, I think it will really refresh your memory for the elderly ones here, and for the younger ones, it's about learning our culture and getting to know how these things, this music, were being done in those days when they had little or no equipment. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and in the comment section, this is one interesting one that I will want you to drop your comment telling me your thoughts in the comment section. Enjoy the video, guys. I've never seen a stress-free performance like this in before. Like, it's just stress-free, and it doesn't even seem like she is actually performing. But if you understand what she's doing, you could see that she has her costumes, she had her mic, she had someone who is supporting her. She is 80, and 80 looks so strong. She still looks so strong and healthy, doing what she loves doing for over, let me just say, for over, if she has not been doing music, she has been doing music for a very long time coming. And yes, Larry Gaga gave her this opportunity, and she has come back to entertain. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here on the channel. Please as well drop a comment in the comment section.